8a, y equals 3x squared plus 6x minus 8. What do we have to do? We have to get rid of that 3. Y equals, factor out the 3. Well, 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times what is 3 times what is 2x is 6x. Well, 3 times 2x is 6x. Now, we're going to open and close brackets. We're going to add and subtract something. We don't know what yet. This minus 8 comes out here. What are we going to add? Well, 2 divided by 2. Take this number. It's a 2. Divide by 2 and square. Well, that's just equal to 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Y equals 3. Let's put this whole thing here, okay? But first, let's do it in steps. Minus 1, okay? That's from this guy here. Maybe it'll make more sense in a second, right? And now, how do we put this? We want to put that as, we want to factor it as a special trinomial. It's a perfect square. X plus 1 squared minus 1, right? Minus 1. Minus 1. Maybe this makes more sense. And then we have the minus 8 coming out here. So this 3 is multiplying this, and then multiplying that. So let's write it out. Y equals 3x plus 1 square minus, remember, 3 times minus 1 minus 3. And then we have this minus 8. So y equals 3x plus 1 square minus 11. Okay, that's 8a. Write a function, then graph the function. Show the coordinates of the vertex and the equation of the axis of symmetry. All right, we're going to open upwards. Over here is our vertex. Our vertex is basically, by the way, let's move this out of the way. In fact, what's important is that last bit right here. Okay, our vertex is basically minus, vertex is minus 1 minus 11. Minus 1 minus 11. And our axis of symmetry, axis, is that what it asked us to find? Yes. Is basically x equals minus 1. We just take our x value. And before we had a step pattern of 1, 3, 5, 7. Here it is. We have the 3. 3 times all of these steps. So now it's 1 times 3, 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 15, 21. But we weren't even going to get to 21. So go up. 1, 2, 3. Boom. The next step. 9. 9. The next step, 15. It's basically right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1. And you have now your parabola. And that's it. Pretty much done. What question was this? It was 8a. Yes, 8a. Done. Let's work on 8b. 8b. Let's do 8f. Let's see if that's hard. 8f. We have y equals minus 3x squared plus 12x minus 14. We're gonna take out that minus 3. Y equals minus 3. How do we get that from minus 3? Well, we have to multiply it by x squared. Minus 3 times minus 4x is plus 12x. This minus 14 stays on the outside. We want to make this a perfect square. What do we have to do? How do we get our c value? C equals 4 over 2, we take that value, squared, which is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So what do we do? Plus 4 minus 4. Now what do we have? Y equals minus 3 times, what's this equal to? That's equal to x minus 2 squared. Then minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. And then this minus 14 comes into the mix. Minus 14. And what do we end up getting? Y equals minus 3, x minus 2 squared, minus 2. All right. We're almost done. Minus 2. So basically, our vertex is 2 minus 2. Our axis of symmetry is x equals 2. Let's move all of this out of the way. And it opens up downwards, by the way. So it'll be easy to move this around. Let's just move that there. Let's erase some of this stuff. We don't need anything anymore. We just need our final formula, to be very honest. Our final equation, I should say. Okay, our vertex is 2 minus 2. Let's draw that. 2 minus 2. And it opens up downwards, so we don't need anything. Our axis of symmetry is here. Our step pattern, by the way, 1, 3, 5, is now 3, 9, 15. 3, 9, and we're not even going to be able to. It's symmetric, right? So we just go across. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing for question 8.